Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, let us do now one question where we are going to have journal as well as ledger, comprehensive basis, non-integrated cost records. Let us read question. From the following data in respect of company, prepare journal and ledger. Closing balances at the end of accounting period. Stores control account 2000, work in progress control account 6000, finished goods control account 8000, cost ledger control account 16000. First three are debit balances and this one is credit balance. Financial transaction during the accounting period. Store purchases for stock, for special jobs, wage analysis, factory wages, office wages, sales office wages, goods sold, sales, other expenses. Cost transactions and cost analysis during the period. Material issued as direct materials, indirect materials, direct materials, indirect materials, overheads incurred and recovered. Manufacturing incurred 50,000, recovered 65,000. Administration incurred 10,000, recovered 13,500. Selling and distribution incurred 20,000, recovered 27,000. Goods finished at cost 1,20,000. Cost of goods sold 1,38,000. We have prepared all necessary ledger accounts. Let us start doing postings. Closing balance at the end of accounting period. Stores control account 2000, work in progress 6000, finished goods 8000, cost ledger 16,000. So in cost ledger, control account credit side, buy balance brought down 16,000. Store ledger 2000, debit balance work in progress, debit opening balance 6000, finished goods control account opening debit balance 8,000. Cost transaction and cost analysis during the period. Material issued analysis. Direct materials 20,000, indirect materials 10,000. Direct materials 20,000, it will be credited to stores ledger as by work in progress ledger control account 20,000. This will be debited to work in progress to stores ledger control account 20,000. Indirect material 10,000, that is issued to factory, so it will be treated as factory overheads, credited to stores ledger control account. By factory overheads control account 10,000. Factory overheads control account debit to stores ledger control account 10,000. Here we have details of store purchased amounting to 38,000. This will be debited to stores ledger control account as 2 To cost ledger control account 38,000. In cost ledger control account on credit side, by stores ledger control account 38,000. Stores purchases for special jobs 2,000. Store purchases for special job will be debited to work in progress and credited to cost ledger control account. By work in progress control account 2,000. In work in progress control account debit side, to cost ledger control account 2,000. Wage analysis factory 40,000, office 4,000, sales 6,000. 40,000 plus 4,000 plus 6,000, total amount is 50,000. This 50,000 will be credited to cost ledger control account as by wage control account 50,000. It will have another effect in wage control account on debit side. Wage control account will be debited to cost ledger control account 50,000. Wages for factory is 40,000. Wage analysis is given direct and indirect. Direct 30,000 and indirect 10,000. So this will be credited to wage control account. By work in progress control account 30,000. This is direct wages. Factory overheads control account, that is indirect labor 10,000. Administration overheads control account, that is wages for office 4,000. Wages for sales office 6,000. By selling and distribution overheads control account 6,000. WIP control account debit to wage control account 30,000. Factory overheads control account 10,000. This will be recorded to the debit of factory overheads control account as to wage control account 10,000. Administration overheads control account 4,000. This will be recorded to the debit of administration overheads control account. To wage control account 4,000. Selling and distribution overheads control 6,000. This will be recorded to the debit of selling and distribution overheads control account as to wage control account 6,000. Goods sold sales 2 lakhs. Sales 2 lakhs will be recorded in costing profit and loss account credit side as by cost ledger control account sales 2 lakhs. This will be recorded in now cost ledger control account debit side to sales 2 lakhs. Goods finished at cost 1,20,000. This will be credited to WIP and debited to finished goods account. Finished goods control account debit to WIP control account 1,20,000. Work in progress ledger control account credit side By finished goods control account, 1,20,000. Cost of goods sold 1,38,000. This will be credited to finished goods. It will be debited to cost of sales. Finished goods control account, credit side, by cost of goods sold 1,38,000. In cost of sales account, we'll be recording this on debit side. Cost of sales account, debit side, to finished goods control account 1,38,000. Store ledger account, debit total is 40,000. We are getting balancing figure on credit side 10,000. This is closing balance of stores. By balance carried down, this amount will be transferred to trial balance. Manufacturing overheads recovered 65,000. This will be debited to work in progress ledger control account. To factory overheads control account 65,000. In factory overheads control account on credit side, by work in progress control account 65,000. Work in progress ledger control account, we are getting balancing figure on credit side. Closing balance of work in progress. This will be transferred to trial balance. Wage control account, debit is 50,000. Credit is also 50,000. It is tallying, no difference. Manufacturing, that is factory overheads, incurred 50,000. This will be recorded here to the debit of factory overheads account. To cost ledger control account 50,000. In cost ledger on credit side, we'll be recording this as by factory overheads control account 50,000. Factory overheads control account, debit 70,000, credit 65,000, difference 5,000. This will be transferred to costing profit and loss account. Costing profit and loss account debit. Costing profit and loss account debit to factory overheads control account. Administration overheads incurred 10,000, recovered 13,500. Incurred 10,000 will be recording first in administration overheads control account. Administration overheads debit side to cost ledger control account 10,000. In cost ledger control account credit side by administration overheads control account. Administration overheads recovered 13,500. This will be credited to administration overheads control account. By finished goods control account 13,500. Finished goods control account debit side To administration overheads control account 13,500. Administration overheads, we are getting balancing figure on credit side, will be transferred to costing profit and loss account rupees 500. Costing profit and loss account debit side, to administration overheads control account 500. Selling and distribution incurred 1,20,000. Selling and distribution incurred 20,000. So selling and distribution overheads control account on debit side, to cost ledger control account 20,000. In cost ledger control account on credit side, by selling and distribution overheads control account, selling and distribution recovered 27,000. So selling and distribution overheads control account credit side, by cost of sales account 27,000. Cost of sales account debit side, to selling and distribution overheads control account 27,000. Selling and distribution overheads control account, if we close, we are getting balancing figure on debit side 1,000. This will be transferred to costing profit and loss account. Costing profit and loss account on credit side, ऐसे राहू दे. By selling and distribution overheads control account rupees 1,000. Closing balance of finished goods 3,500. This will be transferred to trial balance. Cost of sales account 1,38,000 plus 27,000, 1,65,000. This amount will be transferred to costing profit and loss account. Costing profit and loss account debit side, to cost of sales 1,65,000. We can find out costing profit and loss. Total of credit 2,01,000. Here we are getting balancing figure on debit side. $30,500. This profit will be transferred to cost ledger account. Cost ledger account credit side, by costing profit and loss account 30,500. We can close now cost ledger control account 2,16,500. Debit we have 2 lakhs. We can get a balancing figure 16,500. This will be transferred to trial balance. Trial balance. Cost ledger control account 16,500. The credit balance. Stores ledger control account 10,000. WIP control account 3,000. Debit balance 10,000. Store ledger control account. Work in progress ledger control account, debit balance 3000. Finished goods control account, balance 3500. We can close trial balance. Debit as well as credit total is 16,500. It means we have done all our postings correctly and ledgers are also closed properly. In this question, we have learned how to give effect to various overheads when they are incurred and recovered. Different values are given. Thanks for watching this video. Stay in tune with Ekeeda and subscribe to our channel Ekeeda. Thank you.